Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always such a fun video to do because this is from the flash sale. And if you're not familiar with the flash sale usually starts when we get to customize our glam bag, which is usually around the third week of the month. So last month, as always, I try to share with you all of the choice, opportunities, and spoilers. And then on the day of, I try my best to share with you guys before I even go in for myself what all the choice items are. And then we go into the flash sale. And in the flash sale, it is a little bit more unique than add-ons. That being that usually in the flash sale, they have the best deals where they have what I call the 2 for 5s, which means we're only spending $2.50 for the items when you get both of them for the $5. And I have found some gems. So a lot that I'm wearing on my face today, pretty much my whole face, is what I got in the 2 for 5s. And I only bought about 3 kits. So for $15, I was able to get so many products that I was able to do a fantastic full face. So as always, how it always arrives separately. So of course you end up paying that $1.99 because it is a separate shipment. Whereas with the add-ons, that gets added into our boxes when we do our add-ons. So it gets shipped with the boxes. So they only charge that one time $1.99. So when you do the flash sale, it usually arrives before our other boxes for the next month start. And that is like this one here. So always excited to when I can find some gems in the flash sale that I can share with you guys here, because there's sometimes in the flash sale items that I missed out in add-ons, and then they put it in as a pair where I get it 2 for 5. So it even makes it even sweeter for me. And that's where the first one started. So this started with this item here. And I have notes, that's why I look down, because I always want to share with you if there's what the retails are, if it's full size, and a little bit more information about the products, because that's what I do here. All my videos are always more informative, and they're always about the brands, the products, and of course the deals. So this one is called the Sophia Mabel, and they tied it up with a benefit product. And this one was a $29 value. And I got 2 of these products, the benefit and this product that I'm going to share with you right now, both together for $5. And it says, get voluminous lashes and a berry-licious eyes with the mascara and eyeshadow set, what they put together. The Benefit Cosmetics is the Real Magnetic one, but it is in the mini size. Where did I put that here? It is in the mini size, which I will share with you, but I have the full size on my eyes right now because I've received the full size in the past. So this won't go into my gifts for later. Oh, and talking about gifts for later, we hit that 5,000 subscriber mark over the weekend. So I will definitely share in the comments. If you haven't seen that video yet, it is huge. We're gonna have 5 boxes that we filled with products that are going to be part of the 5 subscriber celebration. So if you haven't seen that video and you haven't entered, I will leave that video down below so you can make sure that you take advantage of this fantastic deal. And then the 5 winners will be chosen at the end of March. So this is the first kit that we did together here. So it says the Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Magnetic Mascara is made with tiny fibers, and they will also give you volume. This is a high impact mascara that draws your lashes up and out, creating extreme thickness and length in just a few coats. And then they said, get 2 unbelievable pretty eyeshadow shades in the stackable, which is in the Berry Spirit, is what it's called, by Sophia and Mabel. And this is curated to blend together perfectly to look very irresistible on your eyes. So like I said, this is the first kit. So opening this up, this comes like this. And this was a choice item. And then it's either last month or the month before. And I ended up choosing something else, hoping that this would be in the add-ons, and it wasn't. So when I saw it in the 2 for 5, my cart started. So these are the two shades that are in here that are called the Berry Spritz. So you have a flat matte shade here, and then you have a satin shimmer shade up on top. What I did with my makeup today was I wanted to use everything that was in this kit, and I only had to add a couple of items in. What I did add in for my eyes is when I did, there was no bronzer that I had here, so I pulled out a Complex Culture one, and this one that I have that I pulled out is in Sunbath. That's the bronzer that I put on, and the reason I'm sharing this with you is this is what I used as my transition shade. And what I share with you all the time with how I do my makeup, and this one I did a little bit different today. I use this one, and I always say to you, I call it the transition shade, but what it is it's a shade that I put above my crease line. Because my eyes are so small, I want to make them look larger. So if I put it above the crease and then I put other colors to deepen up the crease, it makes my eyes look bigger and it looks like I have more space on my eyelids. So I started off with this shade here, which is a beautiful, beautiful color. And that is what I used on my eyes to do the first shade up on top. Then I took the matte shade that was in here because I only wanted to use the products that were in this kit on my face. And what I ended up doing, I have a wet cloth and a dry cloth right beside it. I used this shade here, and that is what I used all over my lid. And it's kind of hard to see it, but that is what it looks like there. I'll try to put a double, so maybe the camera can pick it up. I'm hoping it does. Yeah, right there. So that's what I did all over my lid. And then what I did, which normally I would only put this in the center of my eye, I ended up putting it a little bit more all over my lid. But I also felt that the color was nice, but I wasn't getting the pop that I wanted. So what I ended up doing was I spritzed my brush, and then I put it on, and then I was able to get the look that I have on my eyes now, which is a little bit more foiled. Now, if you use your fingers, you will get more impact with the color because of the warmth of your body will go on, and it will help it go in and create a little bit more. I don't like to use my fingers to do my makeup, so I end up using the spritz of a setting spray, or the Max, Plus. That's what I put on my brush after I've dipped it into the powder. I spritz the brush, and then I use that and I put it on my eye. So that is what my eyes are here. So I have the two colors that are in there, plus the bronzer that I had because of the bronzer I had on my face. That's what I used. And I didn't do anything in the outer corners because it's daytime, and I just did it up above, so all my eye look is like this. And then if we go out later, I will be able just to darken up the outsides with maybe a dark brown, and then that will give me more of that definition, I feel, of an evening look. In reference to the mascara, I love this mascara. I am such a Benefit Cosmetics girl when it comes to their blush, their bronzers, and their mascaras. To me, are fantastic. So again, with one coat, I saw fantastic definition. I saw the volume. I saw the length. I saw the volume. This one is called Magnetic, and I don't really feel a difference. Don't forget, the one that came in here is in the smaller size here. Let me just show you the difference between the two. So this is the sample size that's in here, the deluxe sample size. And I always share with you that the wand and the formula that's inside here is the same that's in the full size. So it's always great if you can get these for $250, $350 in the add-ons or choosing it. You will get to try these mascaras that run around $23 to $25. So it is always fantastic because also by trying it this way, if it ends up being a choice item in the future, you will end up being able to use your choice on an item that you wanted the full size of, or if you tried it and you didn't like it, then you wouldn't waste your choice on this. But for me, the Benefit mascaras, one of my favorites from them is the Big Bang, but this one really did not disappoint. And this one has that brush that has that spikiness to it. So what this does is this really grips onto your lashes, and it definitely gives you the length. So you go in first, you wiggle it up, and it will give you the length. The second coat I felt gave me the volume. And like I said, I only did 2 coats with this. This is the one that's called Magnetic, but I have the one that's in the Real. And to me, they performed pretty much the same, but I think this one gave it a little bit more volume. It really created more of a thickness, which is something that I really always enjoy. So that is what my eyes look like, and that is the eyeshadow. So that was only the first kit for the $2. The next one were 2 launches that I'm really interested in this brand, and I've shared with you this brand a couple of times on my channel already because when they have become choice items, I've been grabbing them. They're a newer brand, and it is called Shades by Shan. And this one here, the information on this, the 2 of these together is a $16 value. These are both full size, and I paid the $5 for the 2. They're saying these are hydration and color payoff in a lipstick. Yes, please. That is what I have. I have both colors on my lips, plus a gloss that came in another kit that I'm going to go through with you right now. So they come in Shades by Shan, a lipstick in LA, and the other one is in San Francisco. LA is a little bit lighter, but they both have that same undertone to them, which I'll show you and I'll swatch. It says a few swipes of Shades by Shan's lipstick will help you coat your lips with a rich and luxurious color. The LA is a rosy coral color, while the San Francisco is a dusty rose shade. Both will moisturize your lips while you're wearing them, thanks to they put in squalene as well as a vitamin-enriched formula. These went on so smoothly. Like I said, this is a newer brand, so this, I have never tried their lipsticks. I've had the opportunity to try some of their eye products and their bronzers and blushes, and I was blown away. So anytime I see this and to be able to try lipsticks, because I love lipsticks, that makes a huge difference for me. So this first one that I'm gonna swatch here is in the shade called San Francisco. So this one is what I did all over my lips, and I'm gonna do a few, and then I'm gonna do just one right underneath. So you can see the color payoff right away with just one, and then how beautiful it is when you can darken it up, but it really is a one swipe and done type of lipstick. Then creamy, moisturizing, doesn't move, but it gives a little bit of a matte satin kind of finish to it. But I wanted to, when I had the other product in here that is a gloss, I couldn't wait to not share that as well. And this is the one that's in LA. So again, I will do the one swipe underneath, and then I will do it right above. So both of these, I think, are stunning, stunning colors that everyone will be able to enjoy. So if you see this in the future, I think this is an absolute win. So excited about this. And if these were choice items for me in the future, I would definitely choose their lipsticks because I am really, really impressed. So that is the next set of two that I got for $5, both of them full size. The next item in here is from Complex Culture, and it was a blush and gloss combo, both from Complex Culture, which is why I used the bronzer from this brand as well. And they're saying the blush and the lip gloss combo will give us sunny vibes even in the chilliest of seasons. The blush that came in this box here, so these are also great for gift giving as well. And when you see the compact, you will not believe it is just fantastic. This one here is in Overtime, and it is one of those in those pink slip colors. And the Kiss Bliss lip gloss, which I have not tried yet, which I did there for the first time, is in Joie de Vivre. And they are, says, when you are short on time, a touch of blush can go a long way to warm up your complexion and make you feel pulled together. And Complex Culture's Overtime Blush in Pink Slip is a no-fuss powder formula that will have you feeling gorgeous in seconds. And then you can layer on the lips with the Complex Culture Kiss Bliss Lip Gloss. And the color that I got was in Joie de Vivre. It's a multi-dimensional tinted gloss that is dynamic as you are. It is packed with also shea butter, but it also has passion fruit seed oil that gives you that pillow soft moisture and a weightless plush peach color. So both of these came in like retail packaging, but these are ones that I'm totally blown away with. And I said these are both together $27.55. So to me, these I don't think these are deluxe sample sizes. So this one here is the one, I should have dusted this off because I used this, is the blush color. Stunning. It is so beautiful. And the pink color, a lot of the girls on TikTok and Instagram are all running to this type of color, and they're spending a lot of money to do this. But this is like such a perfect shade, and it is also buildable. But when you put this in with your blush, your brush that is for your blush, you will see that the payoff, this was a one dip and I was like, wow, and then I started blending. That is how gorgeous this is. I am so impressed with the Complex Culture line. Just if you're not aware, this is a line that was created in the manufacturing side of IPSY, which is called Made by Collective. And they did Tress Lucé, they do Item Beauty, they do Complex Culture. The brushes in Complex Culture is how we got introduced to this brand. I also got a lot of their hair tools from this brand. Their packaging and everything on this, the team that they put together have been in the industry for many years. And they took the best of the best to help create their own brand. And if you have not had the opportunity to try it, We are so lucky in IPSY to get this brand that, you know, because it is an IPSY brand, that we are able to then get it at these type of prices to try. But I'm telling you, this is not a discount brand. Look at the component here of the lip gloss. This is what I mean. It is such a luxurious brand that we are paying less than drugstore prices for. When you're taking this out, it's a little bit difficult because the actual applicator that is on the inside has a wider doe foot application, which a lot of the brands are doing. Dior's is even larger than this and even harder to take out. But that is what this looks like here. And I'm going to put the gloss right beside here so you guys will see how stunning this color is. And the perfect combination to put it over on this, if you like to have that extra gloss look like I do, and over this. So I started with this lipstick, put a little bit of this in the center, and then I just put the gloss all over because I was shocked when I pulled it out how beautiful this component is, because it has a, not only is it not sticky, you do not feel it on your lips, and it actually, when you wear a lot of liquid lipsticks or any lipstick that is matte, adding a little bit of gloss really just, to me, puts it up a notch. So those are all the colors that are in here. So everything that I just showed you cost me to my door, the $15 with that $1.99 plus tax to Florida cost me just over $18. And I think this is a fantastic kit that I was able to put together with 6 products, and majority of them were full size. Tell me what you think, how I did with my IPSY flash sale purchases. The only other items that I used on my face, and I always like to share with you, for the lip liner, I used the one from Dragon Beauty. And then for my highlighter, I've been loving the one that is from Alamar. This is the one that looks like this. And I got this one in when I purchased the American Influencer bundle. That is from there, and it is just stunning. That is what this one looks like here. Just stunning. It has like that goldish tint to it. Really beautiful. So that is what I also used in the corner of my eye and on my high points of my face. And that is everything that I have on my face. So I always love to share with you what I have the opportunity to try and share, because when we do the add-ons and the flash sales, that's when I take the time to go through with you if I've had the opportunity to try the products, and if I like them or didn't like them. I love to share that with you also to help you make some more informed decisions, because even when a product is only $3 or $5, you always want to make sure that you're making the best decisions. And we are so lucky with IPSY to have access to these products at these prices so that we can play. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.